Welcome to Earth Decoded. From tropical paradises to volcanic wonders, today we are counting down the top 10 most beautiful islands in the world. Thus, Capri, Italy. Our journey begins with the breathtaking island of Capri, located in southern Italy's Bay of Naples. For more than 2000 years, Capri has attracted emperors, artists, celebrities, and travelers from around the world. The island is famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs rising from the Mediterranean Sea, colorful villages, luxury boutiques, and breathtaking coastal scenery. One of Capri's biggest attractions is the Blue Grotto, a magical sea cave where sunlight reflects through the water, creating an incredible glowing blue effect. Visitors can also explore charming streets, enjoy authentic Italian cuisine, or ride the chairlift to Mount Solaro for panoramic views of the entire island. Despite its small size, Capri offers a perfect combination of natural beauty, history, luxury, and Mediterranean charm. It's no surprise that millions of visitors include Capri on their European travel bucket list. At number 9 is Thailand's largest and most famous island, Phuket. Located in the Andaman Sea, Phuket welcomes millions of visitors every year with its stunning beaches, tropical climate, and vibrant atmosphere. The island offers everything from peaceful white sand beaches to lively nightlife, luxury resorts, island hopping adventures, and delicious Thai cuisine. Visitors can explore famous beaches like Patong, Kata, and Karu, or take boat trips to the world-famous Phi Phi Islands and Phang Nga Bay. Adventure lovers can enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, and sunset cruises, while those looking to relax can spend the day enjoying crystal-clear waters beneath swaying palm trees. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or as a couple, Phuket offers unforgettable experiences for every type of traveler. Number 8. Seychelles. At number 8, we travel to one of the most beautiful island nations on earth, Seychelles. Located in the Indian Ocean, Seychelles is made up of 115 stunning islands surrounded by crystal-clear turquoise waters. The islands are famous for their unique granite rock formations, powder-soft beaches, colorful coral reefs, and extraordinary marine life. Nature lovers can discover giant Aldabra tortoises, rare tropical birds, and protected nature reserves found nowhere else on Earth. One of the country's most photographed beaches, Anse Sos d'Argent, is considered among the most beautiful beaches in the world. Luxury resorts, peaceful surroundings, and breathtaking landscapes make Seychelles one of the world's most exclusive island destinations. For travelers seeking paradise, few places can match the beauty of Seychelles. Number 7. Mauritius. Taking the number 7 spot is the tropical paradise of Mauritius, located in the Indian Ocean. This beautiful island is surrounded by crystal-clear lagoons and one of the world's largest coral reef systems. Mauritius is famous for its white sandy beaches, luxury resorts, colorful marine life, and breathtaking mountain landscapes. Visitors can enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, dolphin watching, and relaxing on some of the cleanest beaches in the world. One of the island's most fascinating attractions is the 7-colored earths of Chamarel, where sand dunes naturally display different colors. The island is also home to stunning waterfalls, botanical gardens, and rich multicultural traditions influenced by Africa, India, Europe, and China. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Mauritius offers an unforgettable tropical escape. At number 6 is the breathtaking island of Palawan in the Philippines. Often called the last frontier, Palawan is famous for its towering limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, crystal-clear waters, and untouched natural beauty. The island is home to the Puerto Princesa Underground River, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the world's longest navigable underground rivers. Visitors can kite through secret lagoons, explore hidden beaches, snorkel among colorful coral reefs, and discover incredible marine life. Palawan's peaceful atmosphere and spectacular scenery have earned it recognition as one of the world's best islands by several international travel publications. For nature lovers, Palawan is truly a dream destination. Halfway through our countdown is Bora Bora, one of the world's most luxurious island destinations. Surrounded by a crystal-clear turquoise lagoon and vibrant coral reefs, Bora Bora is famous for its iconic overwater villas and breathtaking scenery. The island was formed by an ancient volcano, and its dramatic mountain peaks create one of the most recognizable landscapes in the South Pacific. Visitors enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, shark and ray encounters, paddleboarding, and unforgettable sunset cruises. Because of its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere, Bora Bora is considered one of the world's top honeymoon destinations. Coming in at number 4 is the spectacular island of Santorini. Located in the Aegean Sea, Santorini is famous for its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets. The island was shaped by one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history, creating dramatic cliffs overlooking the sea. Visitors can wander through charming villages like Oahe and Fira, relax on unique volcanic beaches, enjoy delicious Mediterranean cuisine, and watch unforgettable sunsets. Every corner of Santorini feels like a picture-perfect postcard. Its romantic atmosphere has made it one of Europe's most popular travel destinations. Taking the number 3 spot is the magical island of Bali. Known as the Island of the Gods, Bali attracts millions of visitors every year with its incredible natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The island offers everything from tropical beaches and lush rice terraces to ancient temples, waterfalls, volcanoes, and traditional villages. Visitors can experience world-famous surfing, yoga retreats, jungle adventures, and vibrant local festivals. One of Bali's most famous landmarks is the Gate of Heaven, where visitors capture breathtaking photographs with Mount Agung in the background. Bali is more than just a destination, it is an unforgettable experience filled with beauty, spirituality, and adventure. At number 2 is the breathtaking Maldives. This tropical nation consists of nearly 1,200 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean. The Maldives is famous for its crystal-clear turquoise lagoons, white sandy beaches, luxurious overwater villas, and incredible underwater world. Visitors can swim with manta rays, sea turtles, and whale sharks while exploring colorful coral reefs. Every sunset paints the sky with spectacular colors, creating one of the most romantic destinations on Earth. The Maldives has become a dream vacation for travelers seeking luxury, peace, and unforgettable natural beauty. And finally, taking the number 1 position is Kauai, often called the Garden Isle of Hawaii. Unlike many tropical islands, Kauai combines lush rainforests, dramatic cliffs, hidden waterfalls, pristine beaches, and breathtaking mountain landscapes. The island's famous Eneweth-Macron Pali coast features towering emerald cliffs rising directly from the Pacific Ocean, creating one of the world's most spectacular coastlines. Kauai has also served as the filming location for famous movies including Jurassic Park. Visitors can hike through lush valleys, kayak along scenic rivers, explore waterfalls, or simply relax on beautiful beaches surrounded by untouched nature. Its incredible diversity of landscapes makes Kauai one of the most beautiful islands on our planet. If you're looking for a destination that truly has it all, Kauai deserves the number 1 spot. So, which island would you love to visit first? Was it the tropical paradise of the Maldives, the magical beauty of Bali, the romantic cliffs of Santorini, or the breathtaking landscapes of Kauai? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Welcome to Earth Decoded, where every journey begins with curiosity and every destination tells a story. We'll see you in the next adventure.